tao sa likod ko. And may mag-video guys. I'm kinda the owner of the cell phone, guys. See, I'm the phone of the cell phone, not my friends. Yeah, that is love. And dun ka harap kasi meron akong surprise sa'yo. Ito guys ang mga laman. Guys ha.
Prepare for typhoon, guys.
Sorry pala guys. Yan.
Purely administrative, like ilan daw ba ang guest na pwede lang, ilang seats ang pwede ma-allocate ng Senate sa guest ng defense. Sabi ko, we've previously communicated with the defense panel that they have 45 seats. So we can just clarify the procedure.
So
No?
hi guys.
So that was the first question. The second was,
I'm gonna give you the
the
surprise.
surrounding area, can they bring in their own equipment? Of course, they asked if they can bring a refrigerator, a coffee maker. Sabi ko, yes. And then whether they can engage their own equipment. So, yes. Yun lang naman ang ano.
Here is your surprise. And this, ginawa ko to kaganina. Sabi ko, wag na lang pakilaman. Kasi may hihila siya sa isa dito. Ito ba? Lang. Ato. So, ayan muna i-open mo. Anong gusto mo i-open? Number 1. I cannot open muna. Can't? I'll help. There, kuha mo na. Kuha mo sa loob. Show what you got. Wow. It's a little sword. Open the other one. There's more. What do you want? There, look. Here. See? Oh, I didn't see that. So the other one. Yes. Are you happy that you got that? It's a little weapon again. So cute. Because he has this toy look. Look at this. He has this toys like this Lego. The Lego. And it has no weapon, so I buy the weapons. Yes. That's what he got. Go open. Oh, it's a pink sword. My favorite color is pink. No way. There we go. And that. Guys, wait for part 2.